Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a clickable link on your Instagram Reels. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a clickable link onto your Instagram Reels, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do here is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application and log into your preferred accounts. So once you're already on your preferred accounts, what we need to do next is to go ahead and just create a reel like as you would normally do. So in this case, I'm going to tap on my plus icon right here. I'm going to tap on reel and I'm going to choose a specific video that I prefer to use. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and just maybe choose this photo. So what we need to do from here is to go ahead and proceed with tapping on next. And I want you guys to proceed with basically choosing the option to add a link. Now what we need to do from here is once this is already created, I want you to tap on the double A in the editing menu at the top to add a new text. So where is that going to be located? What we need to do from here to locate where that is basically going to be over here. Okay, so once we're already here, let's tap on this option. And as you see, we're going to have this option to add a text on here. So I want you to proceed with adding your preferred link on here and adding it on the bottom. But as you see, the most we can do is just add some text, and those specific links won't necessarily be clickable. You could also tap on the stickers option, but an option to add a link is also not going to be available as you see here. So once I go back over here onto my next option and see these options, you can actually go ahead and add a link directly on your description or on your caption so that people can actually view that link and have them click on the link for you. Or one more thing that we could also do is to redirect them to somewhere else wherein there will be a clickable link. So we could actually tell them to go to my bio and click the link. So you can actually go ahead and post this and redirect these people that watch your Instagram reel to go to your bio and click on the clickable link that is on there. So tap on OK and tap on share. And for those who know, you could actually go ahead and add a clickable link onto your bio. So, well, now you have redirected your viewers from your Instagram reels to click on your clickable link that is on your bio. And that is a quick workaround on how you guys could add a clickable link from your Instagram reels. Now that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.